In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let colleagues, clients, or family see your availability or full event details, all from the Outlook web experience. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and use your Microsoft account. Once you're in your mailbox, we're going to switch to the calendar. Look to the left sidebar and click the calendar icon. That takes you into Calendar View. Take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the right calendar, especially if you manage more than one. You'll usually see your main calendar under My Calendars. Selecting the correct one ensures you share the schedule you intend. Next, find and click Share. On Outlook for the web, the Share button typically appears near the top or alongside the calendar's name. This opens the sharing panel where you decide who gets access and what they're allowed to see. In the recipient box, type the email address of the person you want to share with. Outlook will suggest matches as you type. Select the correct contact to avoid sending it to the wrong person. You can add more than one recipient if you need to share with a team or a small group. Double-check spelling here. Small typos can cause delivery issues. Now choose Permissions. This is important because it controls exactly what others can view or do. If you only want people to see that you're busy without any event details, pick a Minimal View option. If you want them to see titles and locations, select a more detailed view. To show everything, including full event details, choose the most open viewing level. And if you need someone to help manage events, like adding or editing appointments, select an option that grants editing. Think about privacy and the recipient's role. When in doubt, start with fewer permissions and expand later if needed. When you're happy with your settings, click Share. Outlook will send a sharing invitation to the recipient. They'll typically receive an email with a link to add your calendar. If they don't see it, ask them to check their junk or spam folder. You can return to the same share panel anytime to change permissions or stop sharing. That's it. You've shared your Outlook calendar quickly and securely. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!